Okay, so this is a video on my 1/64 scale cattle farm. First we got our cattle shed. It's half cattle shed, half machine shed. Got my combine, header, 2 cultivators, manure spreader. Back there, got my John Deere dually diesel with a custom built tri-axle hay wagon. All custom built out of wood. I have a green gate at the bottom. With this does move. Does go up and down. Had the extra hitch. All this fencing is custom made. This gate actually moves. I recommend if you're going to build one, put a little bit of hot glue right there so you kind of gotta lift it up, set it down, a little bit more secure. Doesn't move exactly free. Again, another gate. I got my steers, Heifered steers and a Black Angus steer, feeding out of salt tubs and bunk feeder wagons. Okay. And I got my Dodge Ram 5500 Cummins turbo diesel dually pickup, Cummins logo, light bar, custom painted head and tail lights, captain's lights, CB antennas, extra fuel tank. I don't know if you can really see it. Then I got my custom painted horse trailer, got a sleeper on there, and a 3+1 horse trailer. I got my custom service truck, opening hood, doors. Got my guy with a jack. His truck broke down. It's a service guy, and then the farmer who owns his truck is working on it with him. I have my hay trailer being pulled by a tractor with 2 hay bales on there. Custom made the hay bales. Again, same deal here, being loaded into the shed. With this tractor, I put custom bale forks on the front. Didn't really do much of that tractor, but put the bale forks on. Here I got the horses being loaded into the load and chute. I usually got them in here with the Black Angus cows. And these 4 are being loaded. And the stud is back there. And he's not cooperating, so we have the calving barn. All the cows in there. Got a cow giving birth here. Custom built squeeze chute, and I made these cows basically. Got the farmers helping them out. Custom bobcat. I guess you could say, again, all this fencing and barns custom made. Got a round bale feeder, cows and a horse that's staying here. It's feeding out of. These gates I did not make, I just bought those, but here we got our Dodge Ram 5500 lifted custom mud and tires dually with a CB antenna on top. Just custom bumper. Captain's lights. Used my catch. With these trucks, you gotta have a drop down tailgate. So I have a drop down tailgate. A custom tractor, CB antenna, dually. I had dually wheels in the front, but I didn't like them, so I took them off. They weren't straight, so another tractor here. CB antennas, new green carts being loaded. Got our truck / trailer shed back there. Got a gooseneck cattle trailer I made out of Legos and then spray painted. And then got our custom bug silo. Some hay in there. And that's my farm. All these trucks I did custom make. I bought the bodies, but then I customized them, new wheels, everything. CB antennas on every tractor except for these two and that one. But that one's got it. Can't really see it, but no, you can. This truck's got it. That tractor. This truck, got two of them. All of the CB antennas, I put a little bit of red on top. That's how they are in real life. CB antenna, hay bale in the back. These hay bales I did make out of Play-Doh, and then this bale is plastic. So I just imprinted the design on this bale onto these, so it looks like it has texture. Worked out pretty well. I didn't make this hay bale or this hay right here. Those I bought. But I did custom make all the barns and fencing, besides these green and red gates and this feeder. And got my Quonset huts back there. It's a hay shed and that's a trailer shed. Again, I have my gates, everything, whole deal. So it does a job. And got any questions about anything, how to do anything, just let me know. This wood, I'll just get some wood dowels at Menards. Here, let me explain it to you. I'll cut the fence posts about neck high on the cows, or about up to their head. Cut them there, then drill 3 holes in it evenly. And just do the same with every single one, and then put the 3 sticks in. 3-rail fence. You can do 1 rail, 2 rail, 4 rail. I stick with 3 because that's how I like it. Because it also keeps the calves in if you need to. But these gates, I'll just get some real small hinges, glue it to them. This fencing is all held down by super glue and hot glue. But you can see I put the bar across there. That's how it is in real life. Got a little bit of hot glue right there, just so you gotta kind of lift it up. See, kind of makes it, more secure. Also, I'll make it so that the horse's head, you can see his neck will go over it, because that's how they are in real life, pretty much. But, yeah, I custom built that head gate. This whole load and chute I custom built out of fence pieces. Just glued them together. Looks pretty nice. I think it visually matches that black gate that separates the load and chute from the head gate. But everything I custom built.